this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light hole cover on this Volkswagen Tiguan. This is going to be located in your front bumper. Let's get into it. Take a trim tool. You want to get in on the back side right here. I'm just going to pop this out. Oop. It might pop out that easy. It might be a little bit trickier, but you're trying to get the clip. The clip goes on that side, so you want to get underneath there. Pop that out. If you're having more trouble, there's a clip right there, and then also on the bottom. Pop those clips out, and this will come right off. Take the new one, line it up, and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.